This is our control cabinet. Next, we'll explain the wiring of the control cabinet. First of all, this is the connection port between the control cabinet and the robotic arm. This is the connecting cable for teaching pendant. This is the power interface. Next to it is the power switch. So first, we connect the robotic arm. Connecting cable for control cabinet. Then plug in the power cord. Then open our control cabinet. So first we go from here to here, left to right. Plug the 3-wire plug into our first terminal block. Then plug the 5-wire interface into our third terminal row. Then we put the number 13 interface. Plug in our 6th terminal block. Then put the number 12 interface. Plug in our 8th terminal block. Then we put the power cord of the control cabinet. Plug it in. Insert power strip to power up. Next, we install the gas tanks. We align its interface to give it inserts. Then tighten the screws. Today's installation course ends here.